Hi everyone, welcome to video 2, where we will be talking about how to put the trombone together and create a sound on the instrument. For starters, let's review what we talked about in the last video. We talked about creating a buzzing sound on our mouthpieces. So we're going to have our mouths in the M position, closed lips, with a firm embouchure, and we're going to push the air through the mouthpiece. It should sound something like this. Remember that the mouthpiece should sit in the center of the lips, with 50% of the mouthpiece sitting on your top lip and 50% sitting on your bottom lip. We also talked about articulating the sounds using different syllables such as ta, da, tu, or do. Now, let's just quickly practice articulating the buzzing sounds. It should sound something like this. Perfect. Now we're ready to put the trombone together. So before we open the trombone case, we have to always remember that the trombone is on a level surface, making sure that the instrument name or logo is at the top and the case handle is at the bottom. This will make sure when we open the case that none of the trombone parts fall out. When we open the case, we notice that there's two parts. In one hand, we're going to grab the bell, and in the other hand, we're going to grab the trombone slide. Now before we take the slide out of the case, we're going to make sure that the slide lock is on. If we take the slide out of the case without the slide lock on, the slide can easily fall off and go crashing to the ground, costing a lot of money. So make sure the slide lock is on before we grab the slide out of the case. Now, we're going to put the two pieces of the trombone together, and you will notice that there's a little screw that we tighten to fasten the two pieces together. The way that we know that the slide is on the right way is that the water key will be facing the ground. After we have the trombone pieces tightly secured together, we're going to grab our mouthpiece. Be careful when grabbing the mouthpiece because it is a very important part of the instrument, and if we drop it, it can become damaged or broken. We're going to put the mouthpiece inside the mouthpiece receiver, and we're going to twist gently to the left. The reason why we twist the mouthpiece to the left is because it makes sure that the mouthpiece is completely sealed and no air will escape when we blow into it. Now, when putting the mouthpiece in, remember to never tap the mouthpiece in and always twist. If we tap the mouthpiece in, it can become stuck in the instrument, and then the instrument will need to be fixed, which could cost a lot of money. Now that our trombone is together, we are ready for the next step. Easy enough? Now that the trombone is put together, I'm going to show you all how to hold it. The trombone sits over the left side of your body. With your left hand, you're going to make an L letter and put your thumb under the back part of the metal bar on the trombone, and your index finger can rest on top of the mouthpiece. With your left hand, the remaining fingers can just wrap around loosely around the bars. Your right hand is responsible for sliding the slide. Each person will be different, so just find where your comfortable position is. Remember, never be too tense with the slide hand, and always keep relaxed, good posture. It should look something like this. In the next video, we will learn how to breathe so we can develop your sound on the trombone. See you there.